Okay, so our production orders, here's a list of them. By default, the status that it shows you is your active production orders. So that's everything in the copywriter status, production, what's been assigned out to talent, and what's been completed. Now you may have some more steps here depending on your organization. There may be a few more options in here, but when it's selected to that, it shows all your active production orders. And it shows you what step they're in here. We have copywriter, production, assign, complete, and traffic. So obviously this one is in production here. These are completed. These have been assigned to talent, and these are completed. And so it just follows the next logical step. So after production, the producer will then assign it to someone. After that, it comes back completed. Then the rep would go in there, click on traffic, and traffic the ad. So to pull up each section, so if I was the talent, or sorry, producer, I would open it up, make sure everything looked good, and then assign it to someone. So I'm going to go ahead and assign it to Alan. And then when we go back to our production list here, and now it's been assigned. So now the talent would open it up, read off everything they needed to read there, upload the audio file, and then mark it as complete. And there it is completed. So now we need to traffic it. Pretty simple process. So now we come here and traffic it. Oh, and by the way, you get emails as the sales rep where your spot is, or sorry, your production order. So once it goes to assigned, you get an email. Once it's completed, you get an email when it's back. So then you know to climb in the system, click on traffic, and now we traffic it. And so there's our ad, the test title omit, put in our cart number, when we want it to start and end, and what stations it runs on. You can select multiple stations if you want. And then this is optional, all this stuff down here, the ISKI codes, the day parts, and all this good stuff. And then you can also add, so let's go ahead and close this up real quick. So that just shrinks that down. We can add a second production order to the rotation. So maybe I want lead up to go in there. Okay, I'm going to shrink that back up. So does this look like the ad I want to use? It sure does. I'm going to hit add to rotation. Now it's going to add a second box here. And then we tell it anything we want. It copies the information as far as the run dates and the stations from the first rotation item. But you'll notice on the percentage that it's running here, we have it set to 50 and then 50 as well. Before we added this lead up rotation item, this was set at 100. So if I were to add a third rotation item, it would then set those to 33, 33, 33. But you can change those to whatever you want. Actually, now I can put this at 25. So that means it will run 25% of the time, while this runs 75% of the time. And then we can add any special instructions that we want to say to the traffic director in this box up here. Okay? And then we just hit send to traffic, and that is it.